Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to make money with Telegram groups in 2025. Telegram is becoming a powerful platform for monetization and community building. First things first, identify your niche. Choose topics that not only excite you but also have the potential to attract a dedicated following. Building a strong community is key. Engage with your members through regular updates, polls, and fun activities to keep them coming back. Let's explore monetization methods. Subscription models and paid memberships are excellent ways to earn steady income from your group. Using affiliate marketing to promote products can be lucrative. Share relevant products with your community and earn commissions on sales. Don't forget about selling digital products. Guides, courses, and ebooks are perfect for establishing authority and generating revenue. Collaborating with brands opens up advertising and sponsorship opportunities. Approach relevant brands for partnerships to monetize your group. Integrate bots for automation. They enhance user experience by streamlining processes and providing quick responses to inquiries.